It's done now. Okay, so it is asking to restart. I'm just restarting. Okay, so just let restart. Then after that, we'll try to connect this VM. Okay. It's now to restart it, right? So let's take that VM and try to connect the RDP again. Okay. So or else we'll go and we'll use that same uh, download option RDL file so that you can able to connect it. So now we have brand new SQL Server VM. Okay, so if you can navigate to this one, you will get Management Studio as well as the Data Studio. So either the ways you can able to connect. Let's try to connect with the Management Studio first of all. Then after that we'll try to connect with the Data Studio as well. Okay. So what is the advantage of the Data Studio uh, comparing to SQL Management Studio? So all features it is going to support, but including the cross-platform. See, SQL Management Studio will work only for the SQL Server, right? But Data Studio will get, have some flexibility to connect a cross-platform. Let's say you want to connect with single tool, multiple Oracle, SQL, MySQL, Postgres also you can able to connect. That is the one thing. The other thing is you can able to verify the data comparison of the multiple instances. Okay, so let's say you have non-prod in the production, you want to compare the data, okay, inside of the database, so that it is going to give the live information of this one. Okay, so this is my actually database which we installed and connected here. Okay, so you can create the database. So I'm not going to granular level here. Okay, so we have just deployed. I want to show this uh, use case too in a real-time aspect. Okay, this is the one thing. In the other thing is in a data studio, if you go, you can use the same sort of things here. Okay, just let's try to go and create the VM. Okay, so this is a new one. We'll go for the create a connection here. Okay, so you'll get here is the one option we have, and here also you can able to create. Okay, so just recommend here, just leave this one, and you have a connection in SQL Server. What is this SQL Server name here? Test SQL VM. Okay, so provide your authentication methodology. So either SQL other authentication or whatever you want to go. I'll go for SQL authentication here. Okay, so since I have used for the uh, SQL admin mixed mode, right? Let's try to use this one only. Right, so that's it. Simple, just connect this VM. It is going to connect it. So the connection is successfully established the server, but when error occurred, okay, so that just need to enable the trust certificate thing so that it is going to connect it. Okay, so that is the only the thing is here. Just press OK and try to connect.
You connect with Windows?
Yeah, that one also we can able to connect. There is trust server certificate should be enabled. Let's see. Just SQL VM here.
It- Without fully qualified domain, it will take about from the server name.
Yeah, you can take that IP as well. Okay, so what is the IP for this VM? Mm, Let me go and take this. What is the IP? 172. This one also it will work. Okay. 172.206.248.17, right? So this is also will get the certificate will should show here actually. Encryption is mandatory database. Normally, when try to connect here, we have an option to certificate encryption. This is what it is going to referring. Okay. So it is trust certificate, right? Yeah, trust certificate. Yeah, it is working. It should support show that option actually. Trust certificates worthy. I don't know the browser issue. I'm not sure actually. Okay. Self-signed
You
certificate
give,
you want. Yeah, and now it is going
now
to give.
it is
Yeah.
trust. Yeah, you give enable trust.
Yeah. Now it is will work. So
Mm.
now we could able to see that VM, and at the VM we have the databases, right? I just created this database, right? So the restoration, whatever we are going to do, same thing we can able to do here as well. Okay. So let's say if you want to see that, any table information, you want to select the data, you want to script the data. So same, it is normal only how it is going to work, SSMS, the same approach it is going to work. Okay, there is nothing change here. Okay, just it is executing the query. It will show this, output information in a beautiful. Comparing to SSMS, it is going to give the same approach here. Okay, so since we don't have any VM databases here, data. Okay, so I have the what we call adventure web database with me. Okay, that I can able to use to restore it. Okay, so let's see this .bak file with me. Mostly it will be there in my system. I want to find that. Or else you can download it there from directly. Okay, so that prospect also it is going to work. Okay. Yeah, what trace it is there. Oh, size is 91 MB. I want very small size 8 to 17, 47. Oh my God, 27. Let's take this one. Okay, it seems it is showing very lesser to me. just copy and paste it to your system. Okay, and go to the data, save it here. Okay, just paste it. Once it is done, we can able to restore. Okay, so this all process you guys is pretty much aware, right? So we can able to restore it. Let's copy this one. Mostly it is going to take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, now it's done. Okay, so you can easily to restore it, right? So registration process and all, it's normal process method only. Okay, just try to restore from your device. See, I'll cover this one migration process. So in a drop-down list, we have in a URL. Okay. So in URL, when we are going to use that, as part of, migration module, we are going to cover that one. Okay. So we'll go and take it up this F drive only, right? F drive adventurework.com 2017 backup file. So which is compatible? Why the lower version to higher version you can able to restore. If you have like higher version to lower, it is not going to work, right? So I don't want to make this one ADB 20 2017 TB. Okay, I'll give like this. Okay, the name. Just press OK. So restoration is going to happen now. It is validating. Done. Successfully done, right? So you have the database now, the user defined database with the data. Actually, if you want to test something to validate your data, so you can do normal validation process only. Okay, so you have this data, right? So how this is a typically what we are going to do. Okay, so anyone have any questions? I'm just stopping today. It's already 9:30, 9:40. Okay, so to continue the same thing tomorrow with the use case 3, then after that we'll close this one. Okay, so any questions, buddy?
No, no.
Okay. So are you fine with me or you are following, right? So anything, you have concern like, changing of method. I'm just more of the content like, combining of, real-time process prospect of, okay. So we are not dedicatedly going for, teaching kind of thing, but we just involving the use cases and implementing the step-by-step process. Okay.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah. Srini, are you
Thanks.
okay? Madan, buddy?
Yes, yes, bro. Bro, share that interview question. So meanwhile, we will start.
Yeah, I'm going to share it. No issue. Okay, I'll upload on that location. Okay, so you will get that one. No issue. Okay,
Oh,
right, right. Thank you all. So see you tomorrow, the same time. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye. Bye. Bye.